Hi there, I'm Hope with Health to Beauty Nails, and today I'm going to talk about how I like to use a diamond barrel bit in my pedicures. Before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on that little notification bell, and let's jump into it. So the primary thing I love to use my diamond barrel bit for is for shaping the toenails. Once I've gone through and trimmed with my clipper, I then file and shape with my diamond barrel bit. So this has diamond all around the sides as well as on the top, and I primarily use that top bit for my shaping. I find a regular nail file too bulky for the tiny nails down there, and if someone's toes are not very flexible, it can be challenging to get the file in there also. But with a barrel bit, I find you can really get in there and be super precise. I typically use the top of the barrel bit at a perpendicular angle to the edge of the toenail for my shaping. My machine is in reverse and I move to the right with the bit to shape the nail. Here you can see I pull the bit out a little bit so I can reach the cuticle area, and you can even use this just to remove a little bit of that cuticle and kind of get that process started. I usually go in with another bit and kind of make sure that everything, all the dead skin is completely removed, but I love to use this diamond bit just to kind of get the process started, especially if someone has very thick cuticle. This client is a runner, so her big toenail tends to fall off and gets damaged. So you can see it's very short and the skin in front of the nail is kind of puffy, so it's hard to get in there. But with this small bit, I can just kind of get in there much more precisely than I would be able to with a nail file. Again, this client is a runner. She has a little bit of callusing right next to that toe there. And because this is diamond, it's very gentle, which means it can touch the skin. And I'm just starting to get in there. You can start to gently exfoliate callus around the nail as well with this bit. And because it's diamond, it's very gentle. It can touch the skin and not do any damage. You're shaping, you can exfoliate dead skin on the nail plate, you can exfoliate callus. This bit has so many uses. I literally cannot be without it. It's an amazing kind of bit. Also, because I'm using my e-file, I don't need to really move my arm back and forth a lot, kind of sawing away at that nail. So it helps to save my body as well. So I'm not injuring my shoulders and arms. Again, same deal. I'm using the tip of my bit to file and shape the nails. I use the top of that bit to start to remove any cuticle. If there's a little bit of polish or gel polish left on the nail plate, you can also use this to kind of get in there and gently buff that away as well. Here specifically, see how I pull back the skin and I can just get the edge of my bit right in the corner there? That is so useful. I can just be super precise because this bit is so small. This here is kind of a great example of how I get in the corner and then I butt the flat part of the bit right up against that living tissue back there and just gently buff away that cuticle. Sometimes when I'm shaping, some skirts will start to appear on the top of the nail, and so I'll just use the side cylinder part of the bit to kind of bevel that off. This is also a great trick for thicker nails. You can literally use this bit to gently buff down some of that thickness, and because it's such a gentle bit, you can do it in a very controlled manner so that you're not removing too much. Lastly, this is an even narrower diamond bit that I'm using on this client. And you can see here, I go at a 90-degree angle there as well, which when someone has a little bit thicker of a toenail, that is a great way to file their nails down. This is a great example here. You can see something that's like a little bit dark on this client's nail plate, and I just use the side of the bit to gently exfoliate that away. I even use this kind of bit when I'm doing my toenail reconstructions to shape the gel once I've applied it. So there are so many uses for a diamond barrel bit. I really encourage you to try one out. I will link below where I'm currently purchasing mine. I am not an affiliate of this company, but these bits are really challenging to find in the States. So check them out. They're super reasonably priced. The company is a small business and their customer service is excellent. So go ahead and check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and I will see you next time.